For over 25 years, LaStrada has been building high-quality panel vans. All fittings and extensions built have one thing in common. The materials used are costly and the equipment is sourced from well-established brands. This results in a quality product which is well received by customers. Love at first sight. What I get is exactly what I want, what I need. Great, well insulated, and I'm on the road in winter too. It's like sitting in my own sofa. Most of these panel vans are developed for couples traveling on their own and who care about comfort. LaStrada offer 9 different floor plans at prices which start at €40,000, and all are constructed by hand in Germany and meet the highest quality standards. The program currently comprises 4 ranges and 9 different models. All panel van versions allow for floor plan variants. Common to all is the placement of the bed at the back, the kitchenette on the right, the bathroom opposite, and the dinette and seating group. All interior amenities and fittings feature excellent workmanship. There are also some innovative detail solutions, such as the heated sandwich floor with stowage compartments for shoes or toolkits. Underneath the kitchen floor there is a sliding unit, when extended, serves as an outdoor table, an ingenious solution. In the catalogue it mentions that there is generous space. Very true. There are so many storage possibilities that you cannot fill them all. The half of my compartments are empty. At LaStrada the beds are given special attention. The Froli system with cold foam mattresses provides sleeping comfort in other models as well. A real innovation in the panel van segment is the flexibility in this regard. The long single bed can be converted into an almost 2 meters by 2 meters lounging surface. Unusual, the only semi-integrated model from LaStrada, the Nova, the big brother of the Regent. The truth behind the luxury suite is an elegant monocoque construction in van format. There is stylish furniture, good carpeting and shelves with frosted glass railings, high-level cupboards with frosted glass doors too. I have a separate bed so that I can go on reading until 3 in the morning. I have a kitchen, I have a big bathroom. I don't just have the usual 2 seats, but also an L-shaped seating corner. What I have is everything that I need. The engine is that of the Mercedes Sprinter with either 163 or 190 horsepower, both power plants well able to move smartly along. The factory is located in Echzell, north of Frankfurt. There is an entrance hall, 2 construction halls, and plenty of space for the new vehicles all around. And a lot of room is needed. Here, about 250 panel vans are built each year by just 34 craftspeople. Everything is installed by hand. Our tour of the plant starts with the furniture fabrication department. Behind me you can see where quality begins, with the furnishings. Everyone working here has a great deal of experience, and that's what guarantees the quality. Each piece of furniture has a back wall, high-standard dowel joints and screw fastening. Poplar plywood is used in all our vehicles, and the surfaces are treated with a hard finish sealant. This is where it all starts, with the furnishings. It looks a bit like a puzzle. Individual pieces are milled one by one. 98% of our components are milled. This is what makes for the maximum precision. Here we have the second stage of LaStrada construction, the basic carrossery. Here we have something quite special. As well as the panel van models, we also build our Nova. This has a seamless fiberglass cell, a so-called monocoque. This section is formed in a big mold, sort of like what one uses in bakery. The fiberglass is applied by hand, then it has to dry, and finally it gets painted. What is the advantage? With regard to the construction of camping vans, there is a lot of talk of maintenance and impermeability of joints. Often there are sealing strips applied to the walls. We have none. Our cabin cell has no seams. This means that the need for maintenance is reduced, and there is a monocoque which remains a high-quality living space for many years. Here we are at stage 3 of the construction process for LaStrada. This is where the vehicle gets its insulation, a very important factor. The material employed is excellent quality because it is more complicated to insulate a panel van than a camper built according to the sandwich principle. Why? Because here we have a lot of steel spars which are hard to reach. We have complex surfaces and they need to be insulated very carefully. Now we have reached the final stage of the process. Here the furnishing elements are almost completely installed and only the doors still require insulation. When that is all finished, the vehicle goes for a final testing and then it's ready for the road. It takes from 3 to 4 weeks for LaStrada to build a single new vehicle. Then either the customer himself or a professional journalist will conduct testing. Are these camper vans in reality high value? A further asset when it comes to a LaStrada vehicle is that it is in every respect solidly built. That we were able to see. There's nothing that works loose or rattles. Even when driving on a rough surface, the interior fittings remain stable. Heiko Paul is head test driver for the magazine Reisemobil International. This time he has chosen to put the Avanti C through its paces. Nothing is overlooked. The test track was once an airfield in southern Germany near the city of Ulm. How will the van perform in the obstacle avoidance test? First, the quick lane change. Acceleration up to 130 kilometers an hour and then an abrupt change of direction. Then comes the second challenge, the slalom around the traffic cones. Here again the question, how does LaStrada react? In general, the LaStrada is a very harmonious vehicle. The steering is very precise. What one notices especially is that there is almost no noise from the furnishings of the interior. This indicates that the carrossery hardly twists or warps at all, and that LaStrada places a great emphasis on solidly built furnishings firmly attached to the body. It is clear that a customer who has decided for a LaStrada has made a good choice. Satisfied owners meet for an annual club get-together. Here there were about 50 gathered to chat, exchange tips, to gossip, enjoy food and drink, and mainly to have fun.